What's up, guys? It's been a while since I made any videos. I usually just stick to making shorts now, but this is something I've been researching for a little bit now. This is a stealth mid pipe for the baggers or touring bikes. I looked for a while, couldn't ever find any video clips, any unboxing, nothing. So I figured I'd just make one myself. So here it is. Already cut the box open just to speed it up a little bit. I have not checked anything else out yet, but this is the polished. Looks like you got one of their cups there, some swag. There it is. So there it is. I put some gloves on so I don't get my oils and shit all over it, but great quality stuff. I mean, I searched and searched for different exhausts that I wanted, and this just fit the bill. Just simple, nothing too crazy, doesn't really break the bank. Another thing I wanted to add is the shorty pipe is 13 3/4 inches from tip to tip. Mid is 22 1/4 from tip to tip. Here's a side by side of them. In the end here, they also sent a new clamp, which I'll be using. I don't like reusing clamps once I take them off, but all right, we'll get it on, see what it looks like. Here it is with it on. I'll get the bag put on, take it outside, get it fired up. I honestly think it quieted it down a little bit, which is great because I'm getting old. But I like it, man. It turned out good. I'll put a few miles on it to make it match the rest of the pipe. It's gonna be my winter project, is to polish that. But yeah.